You also make sure that there is no, after pasting this particular host, make sure that there is no space, like a space, an extra space outside what you copy. Make sure there is no space in where we have this cursor. So this cursor. So make sure there's no space. When if there's a space, if there's any space at all, it's going to give you an error. So under user, we are just going to uh, add our email. So remember, your email is what you're going to have as user. Just copy your email and add it there. If you have, and just type it. You add your password. I'm just going to have my password right now. So on ports, we are using ports 995. You can also confirm that from what we have in our configuration. You can say under POP incoming email, we have port 995 as our SSL. You understand? So we'll go back. So we are just going to check what we need to have along the line. We need to leave a copy of a retrieve message in our server, which means we are also going to have a copy of the incoming email in our company mailbox. Also, we're also going to have it in our Gmail as well. We click that. We always use a secure connection, which means we always use SSL as our secure connection method. You also click that. We also want to have a label. Whenever we receive a business email in our Gmail, we need to have a label that tells us that the email we have in our box right now is from our business email. It's an email sent to our business email that that is currently there. So just to identify to identify the email in our Gmail account. So if you don't want to have it like that, you can also leave it, but I'm just going to click it. I think that is all we need right now. You just go to it if whatever everything here is well set up. You note that everything you have here is correct. All you just need to do is just to say add account. If your settings are not well or your password is not correct, your email, which is your username, is not right, or your POP server, which is your host, is not correct, and your port is not, you didn't select the right port, you are going to encounter error. Just know that ahead in case you encounter error when actually doing this. You can say everything is correct, your email account has been added. So I'll just click next. So my email account is already added. So you can specify the name you want to have on your email, but I'm just going to leave it like this. You understand? I'm just going to leave it like this. I'll click next. So after that, the next thing we need to do, uh, we also want to be able, we also want to send email from our Gmail, send out a business email from our Gmail box. We don't need to receive email in our Gmail and we won't be able to reply to this email using our business account. So we also need to set that. We are going to do that using SMTP, SMTP server. So the SMTP server is, is the server that is going to allow us to send out email from our Gmail account, send out business email from our Gmail account. So let us set up our SMTP server. So the first thing we need to have here is our the first thing we need to have here is our host. Let's go back to our configuration under SMTP, which is incoming emails. This is our host. You just need to copy what you have here. Make sure you you copy everything correct and paste it here. You can see when I paste it, there is an extra space. If I leave this space empty, I'm going to encounter error when setting up this configuration. So let me just remove the space. I'll come back here, just work it like what we did before. we add our email account as our username. Then we add our password. Add my password, not our password, it's my password. And now you can see our port is 587, which means when the port is 587, which means this we are the secure connection is under TLS. We are not using TLS in this tutorial. We are going to be using SSL. So when we click on SSL, what happened? We change the port to 465. You can also check it in your configuration file. You can see 465 is SSL, while 587 is start TLS. So always go through the documentation so that you won't make errors. You won't encounter errors. When everything is set correctly, all we need to do now is just to add our account. Yeah, our account is added. What we need to do now is to go to our email and confirm. Say an email with if the confirmation link was sent to your email account. Whatever your email account is, this is my email account. So I'll go to my email right now to actually confirm that to click on that confirmation link. Okay, this is the confirmation link I have. I'm just going to click on it to confirm this configuration. All right, I will go back to my configuration, and I'm also going to check my Gmail box to see if I have any confirmation link. Let me refresh. I'm supposed to have a confirmation link in my Gmail. I don't know why that is not coming. Maybe it is my internet, but you are supposed to receive a confirmation link in your Gmail. So I already have the one on my business email, which is already confirmed, and I'm supposed to have one here. Yes, supposed to have, but it's not coming. It's not showing up right now. But you are going to have it. You are going to have it in your Gmail. You're going to have a confirmation email if your configuration is right. You're supposed to have a confirmation email in your Gmail. All right, let me test this out. Let me send an email from this other account. Let me send an email direct to my business account right now. Let me see what is going to happen. I'm sending an email to this is my business account. You can just add a business account to test. Just write a random, it's a random test, test. Anyway, you can just copy anything. And, just click send. Let me see what I have. Did I have any? I think my internet is really bad right now. Okay, I have an email. I have an email. It says first test. Let me see if I also have the email in my Gmail. All right. Now, as you can see, the confirmation link. I'm just receiving the confirmation link in my Gmail. I'll be expecting that. My internet is really very slow. Let me just click on the confirmation link here. It's confirmed right now, which means I can now receive my business email, my, my business email message in my Gmail account. It's very easy. I'm just trying to explain it so that if you have not encountered anything like this before, you can easily do it. You just need to follow the steps and be very careful with your configuration. So since I've already done that, I think I should just send another email just to make sure I can receive an email directly in my Gmail account. Send again. Versus send again. Send. Press again. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Oh, I don't need to send again. You can see. I think my network is really messing up. You can see my first test, which I sent earlier. I just got it in my Gmail account right now. You can see it. You can see the label, different from every other email I have in my Gmail. Label telling me that this email is actually for my business email account. I'm also expecting one. My network is actually messing up. You will not, if your network is better, you will not be having this latency. You will not be having this delay. Yes. Okay. Let me also reply to this. Let me see. It's work. Yeah, it's work. How about that? I'm going to be replying, and I'm replying with my company email. Just select your company email, so you can have the receiver can have it as a company email. All right. Let me check my email. Mm, The internet is messing up. I think that's the end of the video. You okay? Is here? Yeah, saying it works. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you enjoy this video, this is my first video on YouTube. Please, I encourage you to like. People that actually need it, so like, share, and comment. I would really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if this video was helpful to you.